We are here at the 17th edition of the International Space Ops Conference, hosted for the first time in Dubai, organized by محمد Rashid Space Center in collaboration with the Space Ops Organization. In this conference, we have more than 560 papers submitted by international space agencies, research institutions, universities, and companies, as well as papers submitted from the محمد Rashid Space Center and local entities. Those papers will be presented at oral presentations, e-posters, we have plenary sessions, as well as special sessions. The focus of those papers and the main topics basically of the space operations, ground networks, mission planning, the spacecraft operations, talking about the challenges and the lessons learned. The Space Ops 2023 is a great platform for international community to meet and discuss the latest technologies when it comes to the space operations, whether they are manned missions or unmanned missions. Also in this conference, we have the student and young professional program focused on the next generations of entrepreneurs, engineers, scientists, and explorers to provide them with the latest information about the space operations, space technologies. We have hands-on workshops and a lot of mentoring activities happening throughout this week.